Cheesesteak quesadilla. Start off by chopping up your vegetables, onions, and peppers, putting them in a skillet once you're done with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let them brown. Once they're finished browning, add in your meat. I like to use steakums and season with Mrs. Dash, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. Once that's finished, top it off with a little jalapeno pepper. Add your cheese on top, pepper jack, cheddar. You can also use mozzarella. And then in a separate skillet, go ahead and get your tortilla. You want to brown it a little bit. Don't forget to flip it over. Once your cheese is melted, take a little bit of that meat and put it on one side of the tortilla. Bend it over as such. Put it in the middle of your pan. Let it brown for just 1 minute. And then you want to flip it over. Look at that. Perfect. Nice and delicious. Look how juicy that looks. Oh, so good. You can leave it like such and make a taco, or you can cut it in half and turn it into a quesadilla. Either way, it will be absolutely delicious. Try adding an avocado so you can kind of get a little bit of what we would call sauce in there, or you can leave it like this, top it off with whatever you want. Either way, it's going to be delicious. Don't forget to like, share, save, and follow for more recipes, and click on the link in my bio to get the e-recipe book.